Hello guys, my name is Mohammad Ayan Khan, and in this video we will learn about more about the Lifter LMS plugin. So in the last video, if I go to web development and click on edit, this is a code that I have edited in the previous videos. So if I go to edit, and I will be redirected to this page or this course page. So in the previous video we learned about the sales page within the course option section, and in this video we will learn about the general tab within the course option section. But before starting the video, I want you to close this section and this section, and by default it will be open for you, but clicking on access plan and student management, it will automatically close, not automatically but manually close the tab. So there are three options given to us, or three fields given to us by Lifter LMS in the general tab. Number one is featured video, number two is display featured video on course title, and number third is this featured audio. First we will look into the featured video. It requires us to give a URL. For example, if you want to show a specific video from YouTube or Vimeo on your course page, so you can paste the URL here and it will display on the course page. For example, let me click on preview. When you add a video link here, it will display the video here before the course information and after the title. So if I add a featured video, for example, let me go to my YouTube channel, and these are the previous videos that I have made. Make sure to watch these videos. Let me copy the link of this video. So for the video, I am adding a YouTube video URL. You can also add Vimeo or Wistia or any other suitable platform that is in this. You can learn more about it in the Lifter LMS documentations. Let me add this link and click on save. Now if I go and refresh this page, this is a video edited by me, and if I add a Vimeo link, let me this Vimeo link was pasted by me. No, this wasn't pasted by me. Let me check it if it's working or not. So yes, you can add a Vimeo video too. This is a Vimeo video, and if let me add back the YouTube video. Now if I want to display this, it displays this before the course title on the course catalog page. This is a course catalog page, this one, where all your courses are shown. For now we haven't selected any featured image for this course. For example, if I select any image, let me go here and featured image, where is it? Look, no, sorry, no. Here is it. Click on set featured image, and let me add an image. For example, let me add this image. Set featured image. Now if I click on save and refresh the page, see, this is a featured image of my course that will be displayed on course catalog page. So when if I let me go down, if I enable this option, it will display the video instead of this image as a featured video. So let me click and enable it and save it. Now if you see it again, see, it adds a video, but due to some error it is enlarging the image, enlarging the content section. So if let me add any Vimeo video, I guess it will not. Add some error. Refresh the page. So for Vimeo it works quite nice, but in YouTube in some cases it due to it shows some error. For Vimeo it works perfect. Now I'll remove it and I want to display the simple featured image. I don't want to show this featured video as a course before the course title. It mustn't be on course title, it must be before course title. And featured audio, for example, if I want to add any audio, not song, but yes, you can add songs, but due to some theological reasons or reasons, we as Muslims don't hear songs. So I'll add this nasheed. This is a beautiful nasheed. You can hear it on Spotify or YouTube. Its name is Love and Life by Bara Masood. This is a duo, but it was originally sung, or I don't know which word to use, but this nasheed was sung by Bara Masood. I'll copy the link, copy song link. So it's a nasheed, it's not a song. And if I add a featured audio and click on save, then if I refresh the page, see, I have removed the video as a featured video and I have added a featured image as default by default. If I open this course and scroll down, see, this is edited by Spotify with a beautiful design. I love this design. If I click on play, this is how you can add an audio Lifter LMS plugin in your course page. So this is enough for this video, and in the next video we will learn about the restrictions tab.